Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to enable microphone of Mobile Legends. So let's get started. Begin by launching settings on your mobile device. Scroll down until you find Apps option. Tap on it. Now select Manage Apps option. In the search bar, type in Mobile Legends and perform your search. Tap on it. Select App Permissions option. Scroll down a little and then select Microphone option. To enable microphone of Mobile Legends, check on Allow only while using the app or Ask every time option. And this is how you can enable microphone of Mobile Legends. Thanks for watching Gaming Explained. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you're new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.